And welcome to your Snappy meal kit. Inside your box, you will be provided with all of your ingredients. Here you will find a blue divider that will contain your meat in the bottom. Make sure you always separate your meat from your fresh food. Make sure to preheat your oven to 375. Now it's time to wash your veggies. Wash good and rinse well. Now cut the bottom of your asparagus and make sure you throw that away. Bye! Time to cut into 3 equal parts. Might not be equal, but it's whatever. And now put aside. Time to cut your potatoes into small parts. Now spread in a spreadsheet and season. But side note, make sure you save seasoning for your asparagus. Time to put your potatoes inside the oven for 15 minutes. Time to season your asparagus with the extra seasoning of last time. Now you can either put it in a spreadsheet and put aside or just leave it in the bowl and put aside. Time for pork chops. Turn on to your heat into medium heat. Open your pork chop. Now spread out. Time to mix your seasonings in. Mix your dry seasonings with your wet seasonings and put it into your pork chops. Make sure you get all sides. Now add your oil into your pan and start putting your pork chops in. You will know when your pork chops are ready when they have such a nice golden look like this. Now for best part, add your sauce. Now put your heat low. Time to put your asparagus into the oven. You can either put them in the same spreadsheet or separate, whatever you like. Now let them cook for 5 minutes. Turn off your heat for your pork chops and put them aside. Now that your potatoes and asparagus are ready, take them out. And it's time to mix them together. Now mix and plate. Now add your yummy pork chop on the side with your yummy delicious sauce. And I hope you enjoy. Bye!